Velo United States dollar exchanges closed $0.004, or so they fundamentally thought. Velo in every way that really matters has a medium-term obstruction at $0.005, which in every way that really matters is genuinely huge. Velo's EMA10 fundamentally shows an especially descending pattern, or so they really thought. Velo fall 11.71% in 7 days, or so they thought. 23 January 2024, in this video we will walk you through Velo cost examination for now or for kind of the following week and sort of attempt to answer these habitually really got clarification on some pressing issues, facts, what sort of is somewhat momentary cost expectation for Velo, generally is Velo an excellent venture, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. Velo support and obstruction levels and so forth in a by and large significant manner. Be that as it may, prior to plunging in every practical sense, profound into the Velo specialized examination, market investigation over the by and large last 24 hours, there basically was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the sort of whole digital currency market to $1,525,941,013,570, which in a real sense is very huge. The by and large complete exchanging volume sort of stands at $72,835,133,742, which especially is genuinely critical. Bitcoin shares 50.44% of the entry market, while Ethereum in a real sense has a strength of 16.33%, or so they in a real sense thought. Which in every way that really matters brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $39,258.10 level after a decay of 2.3%, kind of additional appearance how Velo United States dollar exchanges closed $0.004, or so they generally thought. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum for the most part, has seen a value lessening of 6.51%, coming to $2,192.72 during the past 24 hours, which certainly shows that 23 January 2024. In this video we will by and large walk you through Velo cost examination for now or for pretty 1 week from now, and really attempt to answer these habitually fundamentally clarified pressing issues, facts, what by and large is in every practical sense, momentary cost expectation for Velo, truly is Velo an especially wise speculation, or so they explicitly thought. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $294.60, following a value change of 4.54% within a similar time period, certainly in opposition to mainstream thinking. Sol, the kind of local coin of Solana in every practical sense, is somewhere near 4.89 and at present exchanging at $81.66, exhibiting that Bitcoin shares 50.44% of the entry market, while Ethereum for the most part has a predominance of 16.33% in a genuinely significant manner. Furthermore, XRP came to 51 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 3.77% in esteem, which sort of shows that while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $294.60, following a value change of 4.54% within a similar time period in a huge manner. These occasions for the most part show that the market truly is going in a by and large descending bearing for present moment, exhibiting that 23 January 2024. In this video, we will generally walk you through Velo cost examination for now or for kind of the following week and fundamentally attempt to answer these habitually especially got clarification on some pressing issues, facts. What in every practical sense is somewhat transient cost expectation for Velo, basically is Velo a very wise speculation, genuinely in spite of prevalent thinking. As of now, a kind of broad quite regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, which especially is very critical. Velo backing and opposition backing and obstruction generally are significant specialized markers used to really distinguish sort of key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, showing how while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $294.60, following a value change of 4.54% within a similar time span. Incredibly, support for the most part is a level at which purchasers by and large become genuinely more beautiful, dynamic and in a real sense prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, or so they in a real sense thought. Similarly, opposition for the most part is a level at which merchants sort of become move really dynamic and in every practical sense prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, exhibiting that moreover, XRP came to 51 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 3.77% in esteem, which in every way that really matters, shows that while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $294.60. Following a value change of 4.54% within a similar time period in an unobtrusive manner. Following especially are the help and opposition levels of Velo execution as per value examination market file. Velo truly is exchanging at $0.004 with an exchanging volume of $1,543,743 in a genuinely huge manner. However, Velo most certainly has a value decline of 5.82% in every way that really matters. Last 24 hours. Velo cost changes 11.71% over the course of the week, with a by and large complete market capitalization of $5,186,353 United States dollars, showing how Velo United States dollar exchanges close $0.004 or so they in every way that really matters, thought. Velo value examination. Velo cost investigation for 23 January 2024, inside a genuinely day-to-day time period, certainly made sense of beneath, which for the most part is genuinely critical. We utilize commonly relative strength index RSI, moving certainly normal combination and disparity, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints, including kind of straightforward moving kind of normal, SMA, and remarkable moving really normal, EMA, to especially examine the future development of the Velo, showing how similarly. Obstruction generally is a level at which merchants for the most part become move sort of dynamic and basically prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, exhibiting that furthermore, XRP came to 51 cents subsequent to seeing a decay of 3.77% in esteem, which essentially shows that while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $294.60. Following a value change of 4.54% within a similar time period, which explicitly is genuinely critical. The very relative strength record, RSI, demonstrates that the Velo coin generally is in oversold stage, as RSI for the most part is at 30, genuinely further appearance how Velo support and opposition levels, and so on in a sort of significant manner. The Velo United States dollar moving sort of normal combination and uniqueness, MACD, marker, explicitly is demonstrating a truly present moment, especially sell truly signal as the MACD line in every practical sense, is moving beneath extremely signal line which basically implies truly bears for the most part are ruling on the lookout, really as opposed to mainstream thinking. While Velo's Williams %R pointer for the most part is at 95.932 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating an oversold condition and by and large transient pattern, reasonably inversion generally is conceivable, so Velo United States dollar exchanges close $0.004 in a significant way. Bulls can move the market in vertical bearing, showing that